Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you all
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
How are you,
Okay,
ma'am?
I'm fine. Did you all have your breakfast?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
bring your water bottles?
Yes,
Yeah, all okay,
ma'am.
right? Shall we start our class?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
What do we do every day? We sit in a circle, right? Oh, you're already in a circle. Very good. Smart kids.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shall we play a game?
Yes,
ma'am.
Now, bring your books. Keep them in the middle. Neatly make a shape. Let's see which shape you'll make. No, not like that.
Keep it here.
Yeah.
Keep it here.
Put them all together neatly and make a shape.
No, I'm
Hey,
telling you to keep
Keep
it
your
here.
pencils in your hand. And now what happened? Which shape is this in? Can you tell me? Your pens and pencils, pick them up. Keep them in your hand. Now, which shape is this? Can you tell me?
Railway track.
No. The ones you learnt in geometry? Is it square? Is it a rectangle? What shape is this? What do we call it?
Triangle.
What is it called? Hey, look here. Triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? Is it a triangle? 3, right? Triangle has 3 sides. This is a rectangle. Very good. Now I'll show you something you have to count. I'll call one of you.
Who
Who wants to do it? Yeah, come. Now, you know what you have to do? We have to count the sides. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Like this, you have to count. Where will you start?
From here.
Yes. Start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Is he doing it correctly? Wait. Did he do it correctly?
No,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 10.
Right.
Yeah,
10,
continue from here.
10, 11,
Which is 11? This is 10. This is 11.
11,
Continue.
12, 13, 14, 15,
Very good.
16.
No. Is it correct?
Wrong,
You sit
ma'am.
down. You sit down.
Wrong, ma'am.
Now who will do?
Two sides over there.
Do you want to count?
Ma'am.
Come.
Okay,
Come. Count. You have to count fast. Start from that side.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Where did you start? Come. Sit.
From here.
Very good. Clap for the ones who counted. Now you all sit. Remember from where we started counting. From here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Who got the right answer? Did anyone get the right answer?
No, ma'am.
18. Around this. What did we do? What did we count? What did we count in the rectangle? Let us say this is a farm. This is a farm. We have to put a fence around it, okay? If we have to put a fence, we need barbed wire. Let us say this is a unit. This is a unit of the barbed wire. How many units of barbed wire do we need to fence the farm? Tell me.
18.
Very good. 18 units. What we have measured here is perimeter. Give me your pen. What is this kind of measuring called?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. Okay? I'll keep this in a different way and you people have to measure it. Okay? Keep this. Who will count this? Come. Did we get a different shape? We got a different shape. Now you people have to keep a watch. Check if he's counting correctly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Is it correct? Is he doing it correctly?
Mom.
Oh. Madhu, come. Count quickly.
Do it quick, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13.
Is it correct? It's 14, correct? Where did he go wrong? Why did he get 13? Why did he get 13?
He skipped 1.
He left one there, right? Yeah, that's why he got 13. Wherever you started from, you have to walk around counting and then you have to stop where you started. Stop where you started. Then we will know how many measures we need. What do we call this? What are we finding out? Perimeter.
Perimeter.
Take your books, but be seated here. Whose pen is this? Don't play with your pens.
This is mine, yeah.
This is your stick.
Now, we played a game here, right? Finding out the perimeter. The same thing I'll show you to do in this geo board. Can everybody see? Shall I sit down? Can you see?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, what is this called?
Geoboard.
We have a few rubber bands here. We have seen it earlier also, right? We get shapes. What shape is this now? Tell me.
Square.
Square.
What is it called? It's called a square. If I put it like this, what shape do we get?
Rectangle.
Very good. Y'all remember. Which shape is this?
Rectangle.
This side and this side. They're not the same. This measure and this measure are not the same. So it is a rectangle. Y'all remember everything. What is this?
Triangle.
What is this called? Triangle. This is called triangle. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Yeah.
Triangle. How many sides are there in a triangle?
3.
Tell me. How many sides?
3.
3 sides, correct? Now, we have to find out the perimeter of this shape. Okay? Will anybody tell me now? What did we do then?
Square.
A square and a rectangle. How did we find the perimeter?
Rectangle, ma'am.
How? Will any one of you tell me?
We have to come from here and go there.
Yeah, we came from that side and went this way. But what did we do while moving?
We
Count.
counted.
Counting. We came
Counted.
counting. Now, what did we count? Which was one?
One
book.
side.
One side of a book is one measure. That's how we counted. 1 unit.
One
Listen
unit.
to me. This is called 1 unit. Now, this measure and this measure has to be same. Both measures have to be the same. This is a little bigger. We just used it for demonstration. Let us leave it there. Now, here, this measure and this measure, are they same?
Yes.
This?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And this, are they same?
Same.
Yes, they are same. This and this are same, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, shall we call this as one measure?
Yes,
We can
ma'am.
call this as
One
one
unit.
unit,
One
one
unit.
measure. We have to see how much is one measure. Now, shall I start from here or shall I start from here? Where shall I start from? Sachin, tell me. Let's start at the beginning. Otherwise, we'll make a mistake. Starting from here, shall I go like this or like this?
From
However
like
we
this
measure,
side.
we'll get the same answer, right? Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure,
Yes,
Shreyas?
ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go like this. Let's start counting.
1,
1,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14.
We have to stop at 14.
14 we stop.
After that, we shouldn't count because we started from here. We have to stop there. Okay? 14, right? So, what is the perimeter of this? 14 what? 14 units.
14
Now,
units.
Shall we give it a different name? Instead of units, shall we call it something else? If this is called an inch,
1 inch.
you know an inch, right? Inch, centimeter.
Yes,
Mm.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
If this is 1 centimeter, how many centimeters in the perimeter?
14 centimeters.
14 centimeters.
14 centimeters.
I will give geoboards to you with rubber bands. I'll give you geoboards. You have to find out the perimeter and tell me. You have to sit in your own groups. Last week, you sat in one set of groups, but you were making too much of noise. So today, I'm going to change the groups. Okay? Where did the triangle group sit? Sachin, where did you sit last time? Okay, everybody stand up. Triangle group, stand up and go there.
Okay.
Come,
ma'am.
come,
Sachin,
sit.
Pankaj,
my group,
Madhu,
come.
and Kirtana, go there.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Go, yeah, go.
Now,
This is not in my group.
Children,
you
look
are
at
my
me.
group.
Close
No.
your books.
Yeah, me and you.
Which shape is this?
Come.
Rectangle shape,
Rectangle.
right? But if I keep it like this, what is it?
Square.
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 You know all these names. What is this?
Triangle.
All these names you know, right? But if I keep it like this, what shape is this? You don't know, right?
No, ma'am.
This is an irregular shape. It is an irregular shape. Square, rectangle, triangle, they all have names. They are regular shapes. But this does not have a name. It could be like this or like this. We don't know. It is an irregular shape. Now, let us see. In front of your house, there is a farm. You have to put a fence. I'll put a fence around it only if it is a square shape. Can you say that? Whatever shape it is in, we have to put a fence around it. Otherwise, the cows will come in, right? Whether it is a regular shape or however it is, an irregular shape,
We have to put a fence.
we have to fence it. How will we know the length of the wire needed? What should we measure? Perimeter should be measured. Shall we measure the perimeter of this shape? If there is a shape like this, the farm is like this. How should we measure the perimeter? Start from here, go like this, around it. We can do it, right?
Yes,
Mm.
ma'am.
This is how the fence needs to be put by measuring the perimeter. Now, I will give these to 3 groups. I'll make different shapes and you need to measure the perimeter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll give a chance to everybody, okay? Now,
Ma'am, give us, ma'am.
you need to measure the perimeter of this.
Yes.
Listen to me. Listen to
Okay,
me.
ma'am.
The A in the group needs to measure the perimeter. B has to check if it is right. And C has to check once again and let me know if it is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Who finishes first? Let us see. Yeah, I'll give a chance to D also.
Okay,
Now, observe something in this. Unit has to be equal. This and this is same. Correct? But this and this are different. So, we cannot find out the measure like this. So, I will change it and give you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we finished.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
finished. Ma'am, we finished, ma'am.
Now, see, these measures are same. These measures are equal,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Do it now.
14.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
14. You got
Ma'am,
14?
1, 2,
Claps
3,
for this
Ma'am,
group.
we finished, ma'am.
Very good.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Ma'am,
10.
you
Ma'am,
check
10.
ours also.
3, 4,
13.
Finish, ma'am.
1, 2, 3,
you can check
4,
ours.
5, 6, 7, 8,
16 we
9,
got,
10,
ma'am.
11, 12.
12, sorry. 12.
Count it again and see.
Okay,
Who is B?
ma'am.
Check it again.
Hey, you did wrong, da. Hey, you show him, da. What are you doing?
You
show
told
him,
you're
no.
good in counting.
Why
Yeah.
you're doing cheating
Measure
like
this now. Be careful.
Don't.
How much is
Don't
it?
do all that.
Show me, where
Count
did you start?
properly.
Listen to
Why
ma'am.
can't
No.
you?
Where did you
Hey,
start
one.
from?
But you are not counting
Okay,
properly.
see?
2, 1.
But you should not count this.
Four,
Yeah.
five,
3, 4, 5, 6,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
10, right? Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Did everybody finish? Claps.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Yay.
Now, perimeter. Huh? We know how to measure perimeter. Now, if we really have a farm, what measure should we take?
Ma'am, scale.
Scale?
Measurement tape.
Measuring tape. Very good. We need a measuring tape. Now, we have a big farm, we don't know how to measure it. So, I'll give you a small sample. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this for you. This for you.
What?
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
shape is this?
Ma'am, we
for
need
me- for us,
triangle,
ma'am,
ma'am.
for us,
Triangle.
Ma'am, triangle.
I'll give you one more bigger
Ma'am.
farm.
Yes, ma'am.
How can we measure this?
Ma'am.
Will you do it with scale?
Yes, ma'am, scale.
Yes, ma'am.
So, we can't really measure a farm with a scale.
Mm.
So, what do? You should all go home and ask. Ask your mom, ask your dad, how are these farms measured? They will take a long thread. Yeah? They will tie it in one corner. Then, they will tie it
No, they'll tie it
around
here.
the corners.
And
Yes,
Then they will
ma'am.
remove
it
it and measure
Ma'am,
it.
they'll open it
They'll
and
take a
measure it.
thread, tie it around like this, and then they'll remove it, bring it home, and see how long it is. What you have to do, this is your farm. One should hold on one side, take it around, and wherever it ends, hold it and wait for me. I'll come to you with a pair of scissors. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Wait. A small one is enough for you. Did everybody understand? Where should you start? You should start from one end. You should start from one end, right?
Give me that, yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is watching, right?
Don't shake it. Hold it properly.
So now if you hold it like this, it will be so long.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the perimeter.
Shall we cut it here? Keep that. You keep that.
I'm scared of scissors.
Are you done?
My mother
Where did you
said
start?
it can cut some parts of
Is this the
body.
starting point? Very good. Show me. What did you do?
Ma'am, ours is correct.
Ma'am, see,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Give it to
can you
him.
only
We
cut-
finished,
Give
ma'am.
it to
See,
him.
ma'am.
We finished, ma'am. Ours is done, ma'am.
We'll give you a star,
Okay.
okay?
Ma'am.
So if you keep it from this side,
Hey,
then
This
take it
side, this
forward
side.
up.
Turn it this
No,
side.
you have to do like this, da.
I'm turning it.
Now I'll measure. What is this? Measuring tape.
Measurement tape.
This is centimeter. The perimeter of the farm that you have measured. How many centimeters is it? Let us see. See, you have to start from here and keep it like this. How much is it? Count it and tell me. What is the perimeter?
50.
50. Is it 50?
15.
50.
50 what? What is the
50?
perimeter?
50.
50 pumpkins. You have to tell the units correctly. 50 inches. The perimeter is 50 inches.
Perimeter is 50
This is
Inch.
centimeters. So it is 50
centimeter.
centimeters.
50 centimeter.
When you write the answer, if you don't write it properly, I'll simply write some fruit or vegetable. Then you will understand that you have to write the units correctly. 50
50
centimeters.
Centimeter.
Okay? Hold this. What you should do is, in your notebook, draw a square. Then I'll tell you how to measure the perimeter. Give me that string. Measure this. Keep it here. Come, you also join. How much is this? 35 what?
35 feet.
35 feet.
35.
Is it 35 feet?
35.
1
No,
foot is how much?
Ma'am, this big,
35 is how much?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
This is centimeter.
Centimeter.
35 centimeters.
35 centimeter.
Centimeter.
You know what is perimeter clearly now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
How to write it in the notebook? I'll show you
Okay.
now.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If the shape given to you is like this, yeah? How many centimeters could this be? How many? Let us say 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
10 centimeters. How much could this be?
Uh,
5
centimeters.
5 centimeters. This is 10.
10
This is
centimeters.
5
That is also
centimeters.
5
We have to
Five.
measure the perimeter. I'll start from here. Everybody observe this. I'll start from here. How much is this? This is 5. Then 10.
Five.
What
10.
should we do?
10.
Addition.
Addition.
We should
have to
add. How much is this?
Five.
5. And
One
this?
more 10.
Ma'am,
10.
10.
10, ma'am.
Ma'am.
How much is
10
this?
by 10.
30.
30
30 what?
centimeter.
30 centimeters. 30 centimeters is the perimeter of this
Boundary.
shape. Yeah? This is the perimeter of a regular shape. This is a regular shape. Now, shall we do the same with an irregular shape? Shall we take it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 2 centimeters.
2 centimeters.
2
2
centimeters.
centimeters. 2 centimeters.
All sides 2 centimeters.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You already learned skip counting, right?
Yes.
Shall we count?
Okay, ma'am.
2,
2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16,
20, 21,
Aha,
22,
20, 22,
24.
24 centimeters.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
is this 24 centimeters? Perimeter.
Boundary.
Now, what you should do is, in your notebook, in your square line notebook, there are squares, right? Draw like this. Draw a shape, any which way you want. One, however you want, one irregular shape. And one more, what you know, a square, a rectangle.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. One more irregular shape you make. In that, every square is one unit, one
Okay.
measure.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll come and teach you.
Okay,
After drawing it, you have to write perimeter at the bottom. How many units? How many units? You have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it. Did everybody
Yes,
understand?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
it and show me. Yeah. This is correct.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6,
You should measure the perimeter and write it. Yeah, this is also correct. You count it and write it here. Okay? Yeah, yeah. No, if you write it like that, measuring will be difficult.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Are you all doing it?
11, 12, 13.
Yeah.
14,
Take it in another page. Do it in another page.
17.
Did you all do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Page done. Ma'am, full page
Let us
finished,
solve
ma'am.
some problems from your textbook. Shall we solve? When we solve them, what happened is some of you have done it neatly, but some of the shapes are not so neat. The lines are not straight. So, what did I do? I prepared flashcards like this. Use these and draw the lines. It will be easy for you. You have done it earlier, right? Some regular shapes are here and some irregular shapes are also here. What is this? Tell me now.
Ma'am, can I take the scale?
I'll give it to you. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
What is this? Which shape is this? Tell me.
I don't know, ma'am.
What is this?
Ma'am, rectangle.
What is this? Which shape?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. It has a name. What is this?
Square.
Square. We don't know the name of this. This is an irregular shape. I'll give you a few of these shapes. You have to measure them. Yeah, this is for you, right? One for each group. Keep it like that and trace it. Then your shape will be neat.
Ma'am, where is my scale? Can I take the scale?
Square.
things, okay?
I will write with
Okay.
Those who got the rectangle shape,
Hey,
This is
writing something.
3 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You have to find out the perimeter and write.
Yes, ma'am.
Solve this problem. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Who got this shape? Oh, did you complete it? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
We finished.
Are you doing it? No, you have to find out the perimeter and write.
Okay.
Is everybody done? Excellent. Very good. Claps.
Yay.
You have learned how to measure the perimeter of a square and rectangle. How? You have to take the measurements of all the sides. You have to add them. Okay? We understood that, right? When you add the measurements of all the sides, we get perimeter. We should not write perimeter as a number or a digit. We should write the units also. Okay? Now, 5th graders, pay
Yes,
attention
ma'am.
here. 4th graders, you will get it next year.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
Now-
okay.
What is the special feature of a rectangle? Tell me.
Two sides have the
This is
same
rectangle
measurement.
A, B,
C,
C,
D.
D.
Okay, ma'am.
Can
Ma'am,
someone tell me what is
ma'am,
special
ma'am.
here?
I'll tell.
It's okay.
5th graders, tell me.
Ma'am. In the rectangle, that is A, that is B, that is C, that is D.
Yeah, that's
Their
correct.
measurements are different.
It's different. This side is long.
AC is different, BC is different.
Two sides are same.
This
It's
AD
not the
and BC.
same. Not
They're
the
same, right?
same.
Sit down.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, this AD and BC. They're same,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
In a rectangle,
Yes, ma'am.
this side and this side are
Yes,
same.
ma'am.
Right? This side and this side
Yes,
are
Yes,
equal.
ma'am.
These are
Ma'am.
sides. In a
Arms.
rectangle, opposite sides. The opposite sides are equal. This side and this side are opposite and they are equal. Now, this is called length. Let us write L.
Okay, ma'am.
This is B, breadth. Then what is this? This is also L. This is B. Now we have to find out the perimeter of this. B
B
plus
plus
L
L
plus
plus
L
B
plus
plus
B.
B.
plus
How
L.
many B's do we have here?
Two B's.
Two B's. And two L's.
L.
Two B plus
Perimeter of a
2L.
rectangle. Shall we say this here? What is B here?
Three.
3 centimeters. What is L here?
Five.
Centimeter.
What is the perimeter of this?
5,
Three.
2 into
Yes, this is
into
also L. 2 into B is 2 into
Three.
3
2 into 3
plus 2 into
Plus
5.
2 into 5.
How much is this?
6.
6?
2 5 are 10.
10. How much is it?
16.
16. 16
16
what?
16
Centimeters.
Centimeter.
Perimeter. Right? 16 centimeters is the perimeter. We'll do it now in your textbooks and then you have to do it at home in your workbooks. If there are
Okay,
mistakes, I'll correct it
ma'am.
tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
You do not know this concept, but you'll learn it next year. You can solve the problems in your workbook at home and bring it tomorrow, okay? Very good. Are you all ready and set?
Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
do an activity?
Yes,
Yes,
You people, the other day, did perimeter, right? Kept books in the center.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
In the
ma'am.
same way, keep the books in the center. No pens, pencils inside the books.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Keep the
Okay,
books
ma'am.
neatly
I
in the
will
middle.
remember it now.
Yes.
Hey, keep it.
I
Hey,
will
Okay,
keep
ma'am.
it that
remember
side.
now.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Not
Give it to me.
Oh,
this
yeah.
is
You know the rap
Give
Now,
it.
quiz time.
Please.
Oh, quiz.
It is quiz time.
Okay,
Are you
ma'am.
ready?
Quiz time.
Yes.
Gagan, where are you?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm
here.
ready, ma'am.
Which is this shape? You should tell me. You tell me, dear. Which shape is this?
Ma'am, this is
Rectangle? Correct?
rectangle.
This is a rectangle. What did we learn the other day? How to find out the perimeter we learned.
Perimeter.
Today, let's see something else. We have a rectangle here. Your attention here. Can you see?
Yes.
In this
ma'am.
shape, how many books are there? We have to count. You come here. Count how many
Go,
books
go,
are in
go,
this
go,
shape.
go.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Did he count correctly? No
Ah.
mistakes,
ma'am.
right? 14. That is, to fill this space, how many books are needed?
14.
14 books are
14.
needed. Right? Which shape is this? You tell me, dear. Which shape is this?
Square.
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 Ma'am, rectangle.
One said square, one said rectangle. Now, which is it?
Ma'am,
Rectangle, ma'am.
rectangle.
What is this? Which shape is
Ma'am,
it?
rectangle.
Rectangle. Why is this a rectangle? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, shape is not same, ma'am.
For it to be a square, this side and this side should be same, right? But this is longer and this is
ma'am.
shorter,
Yes.
right? That is why this is rectangle. Now, to fill up this rectangle, how many books did we need? Who will tell me?
14.
You tell me. Count and tell me how many are there?
1, 2, 3,
1,
4,
2,
5,
3,
6,
4,
7, 8,
5,
9, 10, 11,
6,
12,
7,
13,
8,
14.
9.
Only 10. 14 were there earlier. We removed some.
Someone told.
Now we have only
10.
10. You have to observe something here. How many books are on this side?
1, 2, 3,
Five.
4, 5.
We have 5 books here. How many rows of 5?
2.
We have 2 rows. We have 2 rows of 5. What did we count?
Books.
If we have to count totally, there are
Huh.
5 in one row and 5
Five.
in the second row.
1, 2.
5 ones are 5,
5 ones are 5.
Five
5
twos
twos
are
are
10.
10. We have 10 books here, right? Please remember,
Yes.
Yes,
when we solve
ma'am.
the problem, we need it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
This is called area. To fill something,
Area.
say you have built a new house.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to place tiles in the new house. Then how many tiles do you need? How do you count them? That is the area of that
What is
room.
the area?
Area is filling something.
Fill.
Everyone tell me,
Filling.
what is area?
Filling.
What is perimeter?
Boundary.
Yeah,
Boundary.
very good. Claps.
Yay.
Perimeter means measuring around the shape. Area means filling
Area.
the shape.
Filling
Okay?
Fill.
Now, let's solve some problems. Take your books, go back to
Okay,
your
ma'am.
places and sit in a group.
Come,
Give
sit
that
down.
book.
Okay?
Hey,
Don't
that
make
last book is
noise.
mine. Give it, give it.
This is
Hey,
mine.
this is
Yeah,
mine.
give it to me.
Give it to me.
What is this?
Geoboard.
Geoboard. Geoboard. We saw regular shape and irregular shape. We found out the perimeter of that, right? Now, what is this? It's a rectangle. If we have to find out the area of a rectangle, we said we need to fill it inside, right? So, to fill inside, how many squares are inside this? This is one square. I'll take this to show you. 1,
2,
1,
3,
4, 5,
6,
7, 8.
8. What is 8?
Square.
I didn't tell you yet. For area, unit is square units. What did we say earlier? 1 unit. This is a square. You know, this is a square. This is called 1 square unit. Like that, 1 square unit, 2 square units, 8 square units. We filled it with 8 squares. Therefore, what is the unit of this area? What is the area? 8 square units. Now, I'll give each one a problem. You have to solve it. This is a square shape. This is a square unit. Now, if we place it inside this, can we say what is the area of this square?
4 square
Four
units.
square
Wait.
units.
We don't know yet. Now, we saw this earlier, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Green plate.
Green plate.
Let us take this as anything. Let us take this as floor, a room, and each one is a tile. Does it fit in here? See, there are pictures here. You have to count them all and tell me how many are there. This is one square measure, 1. You have to tell me how many are there in total. Now, from every group, the B's, please come here. B, please come here. Yeah, this is for you
B.
and this is for you.
Me.
You should count and tell me.
Me.
That's all. Go and sit. This is 1 square unit. Go, quickly count and tell me.
We have to count. Shall we count?
Yes.
Okay.
You have to measure and tell me.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ma'am, this 100. This
100 what?
100 square centimeter.
Very good.
Ma'am, 100 square centimeter.
100 square units. For what?
100 square
4 oranges?
centimeter.
What is it?
Square centimeter.
What is it? Who will tell me? 4 square units.
Centimeter. Ma'am, we got it right.
How
first
many?
time.
4 square units. Very good. Excellent. Claps. Did everybody understand what is area?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let us solve some problems and see. I'll explain first, you write later. What is this?
Square.
Which shape is this?
Square.
It is a square, right? A, B,
C, D.
D. This is 4 centimeters.
4 centimeter. That is
So, how much should this be?
Centimeter.
It should be the same, right? 4 centimeters. This also will be 4 centimeters, right? Now, how much should we fill inside? We have to find out the area. They should be all equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16, right? You have seen it earlier in this, yeah? But this was only for you to understand. There is a formula to measure that. Shall I tell you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, what is the length of one side?
4.
4 centimeters, right? How much is this? We placed 4 times. 4 into 4.
4 into 4.
That is 16 square centimeters. We said square units, but here it is square centimeters.
Centimeters.
We call it square centimeters. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, let us take a rectangle. What is this?
Rectangle.
It is a rectangle. 2 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters. Now, this is 4 centimeters, this is 2 centimeters. How many 2 centimeters are in
4.
this?
4.
We have 4. We counted earlier also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many are there? If we see, to fill this, how many square centimeters do we need? We should know. Now, how much is this?
4 centimeters.
4.
Into
We should multiply it with
2
2.
centimeters.
The length of this side and the length of this side should be multiplied.
8 centimeters.
We get 8
8 square
square centimeters. All sides of a square are equal, right? So, this is
Equal.
this is also L. All sides of a square are,
Equal.
what are they?
Equal.
They are equal. So, the area of a square is side into side. L into L. The answer will be, we get the answer in square units. Find out what is area called in your local language. Okay? Similarly, this is length of the rectangle, L. This is breadth. Now, what is the area of this rectangle? L into B. L into B, length into breadth, square units.
Length to breadth, square
Now,
centimeter.
I'll give you a problem. You have to do it. I'll come to check. Draw whichever shape you want, square or rectangle. Oh, you did
I've
it.
done two, both,
Those
ma'am.
two are rectangles. You have to count the squares inside it and right, and you have to see if it is according to this formula.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the length?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the breadth? You have to write. Keep it as 1 centimeter and write. I will come and see. Okay?
Hey, wait. I'm
Write
using a
quickly.
scale, okay? You cannot snatch it from
Hey,
me.
you are
Give it
already
to
done.
me.
Very good.
Yeah, I need pencil. I have extra pencil.
How much is this?
Square like this.
Hold this.
4
hold
into
this.
4. Write the answer. Area 4 into 4. Yes, write it here. Yeah, did you do it?
Well done.
Yeah, everybody complete your problem, solve your problem.
It is there. It can be my scale.
16 square measures. Yeah.
14 square
If this is 7,
centimeters.
this is 4, yeah. Write the same thing. Now, area and perimeter. What is the connection? What could it be? Now, when you look at this book, it's perimeter and area. Will it be the same?
No,
Yes
ma'am.
or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
How will we know?
The opposite sides are equal.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
this side is longer than this.
we don't know. We still don't know about it. Yeah? If you have any questions, you have to ask me. Okay? Let us say I have a rectangle like this. This is 2 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters length, 2 centimeters breadth. We have a rectangle that we have to show it here. You come here, dear. See. Yes, you come here.
Ma'am.
I'll come, ma'am.
You have to dip them in water and stick it here.
Okay.
Keep it here. Keep them. Keep 5 in a straight line. Yeah, keep quickly.
2,
We have to
Keep
Three.
counting. Enough?
4.
What else
5.
should we keep now? Keep one more line. Yeah. No. Keep it here. We
1.
need to get a rectangle, right? Keep it here. Yes,
1.
like this.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Very good. Now, stay here. What is the perimeter of this shape?
1,
1, 2.
2,
Perimeter is you have to count around it. 1, 2.
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9,
Is she right?
10.
Perimeter is 14. 14 what?
14.
14
What is the unit?
meter.
Centimeters. Now, see from this group. Come. You have to find out the area of this. What is area? What is area?
Area.
Filling the shape. Okay? So you have to count these.
Okay.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
is he right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. 10 what? Write 10 here.
Okay.
10 what?
Square
Yes, area.
centimeter.
But 10 what?
Square
Square
centimeter.
Is it 10 cm?
Mm-hmm.
Is he right? What is the unit of area? What is this? 1 square unit. Huh? Square centimeter. You should not forget. Okay? Go. Sit down. 10 square centimeters. Right? Now, I'll keep another shape. How many are here?
4.
How many lines of 4 did I keep?
2.
How many lines did I keep?
3.
Now, what shape is this?
Square.
Square. How many here?
No, square is wrong.
It's a rectangle, correct? What is the perimeter of this? Who will tell me?
Mommy, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Who said 12? There are 14 here.
14.
So what's the perimeter? 14 centimeters.
14
So what is the area?
Area.
Area
This is 4, this is 3. Tell me quickly.
Ma'am.
4 into 3 is 12, ma'am.
What is the area? Tell me quickly. Gagan,
12.
what is the area of this?
Ma'am, 12, ma'am.
12 what?
Ma'am, 12.
12
Square centimeters.
Very good. Square centimeters. Claps.
Yay.
Very good. Now, do these shapes look the same?
No,
No, right? But look at the perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is the same. But is the area same? No, it is
Ma'am.
different, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, I'll give you an exercise. I'll give you some things. You have to make a square, okay? You have to make a square. You know how to make a square, right? Make a square of any size and then you have to measure the perimeter and area and tell me, okay?
Stand up, noise,
Ma'am, give me, ma'am.
Give me
Ma'am,
the
he's not keeping it
Okay. So you made squares, 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 squares you made. Were the perimeter and area the same?
No,
Same?
ma'am.
No, it was different, right? Now, let us look at something. Till I ask you, you should listen, okay? We have to make a rectangle. 4 into 3. You have to make a rectangle. 4 into 3 is? Yes, like this. You have to keep 4 squares.
3.
Like this, you have to keep 3 lines. Not in the book.
Square centimeter.
We gave you yellow cubes, right?
12
Keep
square
them. Keep them quickly.
Ma'am,
4 cubes in 3 lines. Who will keep it
My
first?
area.
Let's see.
Mommy, ma'am, I'll go first.
Watch it.
Ma'am,
You have to
4
keep
into
them
3,
close
ma'am.
together, like
Ma'am,
this.
12 square
Into
centimeters.
1, 2,
You're doing it
So that will be
alone.
4
You're not
into
giving the
3
others a chance.
equal to
Come on, everybody do it together.
Ma'am, she's not giving me chance only. I did it correctly, ma'am. Ma'am, elidini.
Give him also a chance.
Ma'am, I'm here.
Sit in a circle.
Yes, ma'am, I'm
If you
doing.
sit like this,
Yes,
how can he
ma'am.
participate?
She has given 4 into 3, ma'am.
Now? You have to find out the perimeter and area of this. Tell me how much?
Ma'am, I finished
No, that.
I finished that.
Yeah? You don't have enough? Yeah, pass
Then
some
it's
to
not
them.
over,
If
ma'am.
that is that, yeah, give me my
Now
Give one here.
pencil. Give it to
And
me.
then that will be
Yeah, I
square
forgot.
into 3.
How much is it?
Please give it to me.
What is the perimeter? You have to keep 4 3 times. What is the perimeter?
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Tell me fast. 14. 14 what? You have to tell the unit.
Okay, ma'am.
No. For perimeter, only centimeter.
centimeter.
Okay? Now, What is the area? Tell me.
Area
Ma'am,
is,
12 square
12
centimeter.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
You also got 14?
Yes,
12
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what is the area?
12
Ma'am,
ma'am.
12 square
12
centimeter.
square centimeters. Did everybody understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Use the same things. If you want extra, ask me. You know what you have to do? 2 into 6 you have to do.
6 into 2.
2 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Do the area.
is
2 into 6.
12.
Okay? Do it quickly.
6 into 2 is
Very
12.
good. You get a star. Which group is yours?
Square group,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
square, ma'am.
Square
Square.
group. 1 star. Very good.
Yes, we got a square.
Yes.
Yay.
Fast, fast, you're fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all done?
6
Now,
into 2.
what is the
12
perimeter of this? Tell me. How much?
14, ma'am.
How much did you get? You should count properly and tell me.
centimeters.
Yes?
Centimeter.
Very good. You got 12, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. 12 square
Yes, ma'am.
centimeters.
Square
Now,
centimeters.
Ma'am, 14 square.
in these
Ma'am,
two,
12 square
what is
centimeter.
similar?
Uh,
12
Area is the
centimeters.
same, right?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
perimeter is different,
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
Now, the shapes are also different. I'm going to give you some homework today. Go home. In your square line book, make different shapes. 2 different shapes, okay? Perimeter should be the same, but the shapes should be different. In another 2, area should be the same, but shapes should be different. Will you do it?
Yes,
Do it in groups. Help each other, okay?
Okay,
Very
ma'am.
good. Claps.